as we continue from OMNI Orthopedics, as we're discussing some final things here with Dr. Ira Richterman. Thought I was going to sneeze there. I had to protect my face. I felt the sneeze coming on. And he is a CEO and board-certified orthopedic surgeon specialized in hand and wrist surgery. Dr. Richterman, we have about 4 minutes here for stuff to get to, and I want to just kind of give the floor to you because I know you want to talk about how OMNI continues to be progressive when it comes to medicine, when it comes to orthopedics, and when it comes to everything in between. As you had said to me, from the day that you set foot in here, there's always been a progressive attitude. Why do you feel that is, and how do you see that continuing as we, I guess, branch into the future?
Yeah, I appreciate that. I think the realm of orthopedics is really moving in a direction of I refer to as availability and access. And I think that the key in helping deliver efficient healthcare to your communities is going closer to your communities. And it does that. We believe in a one-stop shop mentality. We try to keep as much musculoskeletal care as we can in-house. And how are we able to do that? Well, we're doing it in multiple ways. I joined our group here in 1997. And at that time, OMNI Orthopedics just merged. There was 2 groups in town that merged to form us. And there was originally 7 docs that put the group together. Today, we're a group of 20 physicians in multi-specialties, as you heard. We have just built a brand new surgery center. We built a whole new Oasis, which is up on the intersection of Whipple and Portage, which is basically tripling our capacity to provide orthopedic care, both in pain management as well as all the surgical specialties, including our joint replacements. We're also branching out into our communities with continued progress with more and more offices. We just revamped our Dover office. We doubled our capacity down there and expanded our therapy services to accommodate more patients in that area. In another month, we're excited to open up our Alliance office. We have a new physician that's joining us in August, Dr. Mark Rose, who is a fellowship-trained sports medicine physician who is also looking to do general orthopedics as well. And he'll be joining us there in the Alliance office with all of our subspecialties going there. We're a big believer in getting all of our subspecialties at least once a week or once every other week into each surrounding office. We've started OMNI Express, and OMNI Express is for the typical and most common lump and bump problems. You wake up in the morning because you were a weekend warrior and your back is hurting, or your shoulder's hurting, or you twisted your ankle, or you tripped off the step stool and you landed hard on your wrist. OMNI Express is allowing patients to get directly right into orthopedic care, but as they come into our office. And OMNI Express right now is at our main office. We are expanding that program right now. We're just open during the day, and it's been a quite success where patients just can walk in and see our physician assistants and get their care initiated as quickly as possible to get into our systems. But what we're also doing is that we're going to expand that OMNI Express to both the Dover market, to the Alliance market, and then hopefully within another year or 2, we're going to expand it out to 2 more markets. But I think the key is really to reach out into our communities with these satellite offices and bring our specialty physicians to the communities themselves and making healthcare access easy and available.
Dr. Ira Richterman, Gus Callis says hello. He just texted me. Thought I would throw that in there just momentarily. Thank you for joining me. Thanks for being part of the show today. And thanks to OMNI Orthopedics for being with us all day as well.
I really appreciate you guys coming out, and thanks for being part of our team.
Absolutely. Well, day 2 of Healthcare Week in the books. Here on 1480 WHBC. We'll talk with you again tomorrow, and we'll be speaking with individuals from Altman and Mercy. I know, as I said before, yesterday we didn't get to talk about the issues at hand right now in the world, but I want you to keep an open mind, and we'll talk about those things next week, from COVID to the issues with Black Lives Matter and things like that. We will get into those issues next week. But tomorrow, Healthcare Week moves along as we'll talk Altman and Mercy. Till then, have a great day, and we'll talk to you then.